Damisa came around basically because there is a global need for, let's say, instant payments internationally that are a lot more secure, a lot safer, and less subject to fraud. My background at Volt, of course, was account to account, but it was very domestic, so euro to euro, pound to pound, dollar to dollar. But obviously, there's a cross-border piece missing, right? So stablecoins offer a fantastic option for super secure, super fast, the fastest method of payment in the world, basically, and the most secure. We're basically going to remap the world of, let's say, escrow services. So anywhere where there could be a trust issue between various corridors. So let's say the emerging markets into the not so emerging markets, where a seller wants to send goods somewhere else in the world, but doesn't necessarily know the partner on the other end that well. Damisa will get in the middle with smart wallets. The great thing about Damisa is we have a very powerful stablecoin orchestration platform which sits within those wallets. So when there's money sitting in those wallets, you can actually generate what's called yield in the crypto world, or interest in the fiat world, on any money that's actually sitting in there. So actually it becomes a way for the buyer and the seller to generate revenue from their payment method, which is also a little bit unheard of. It's a very new concept, right? I mean, it's not like open banking was when Volt started, for example. That was extremely new, and we had to wait for adoption. Stablecoins have been adopted. I was actually at a conference in San Francisco a couple of weeks ago, and there was a guy sat there who'd been working at the Federal Reserve for about 30 years. On the innovation side, which I didn't even know existed at the Federal Reserve, but they were already using stablecoins for sending payments for the US aid stuff and money all over the world to help people. Although the challenge, I think, is adoption when it comes to the tier one merchants that have been kind of crypto skeptics before. I think it's going to happen extremely fast.
Speaking to so many counterparties and so many potential clients, that really, really validated our hypothesis. And it really showed us that we're on the right track of building something absolutely amazing. We just listen and speak to various partners coming from Latin America to Africa to Australia, Southeast Asia, Europe, Scandinavia, the Americas. No matter what industry, it's real estate, payments, fintech, Web3 natively itself, commodities, TradFi firms, travel, education, so many different industries, and just realizing that, hearing that feedback of how much demand and appetite there is, it was just incredibly rewarding and exciting. So far, the support that we have gotten was absolutely amazing. Of course, us being tech founders and fintech and crypto nerds, at times we can be a little bit really focused on building our things, and around support has been absolutely fantastic from operational, legal, compliance side. The introductions, the connections that we got from Fuel Ventures Network has been insanely helpful so far. And that's exactly what we were looking for from our seed round lead. Absolutely fantastic so far.